Open your Tradingview and go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type BBO Roxana Signals MACD. Then, select the BBO Roxana Signals MACD indicator from Bitcoin Blockchain Online. This BBO Roxana Signals MACD indicator will be used as the entry trigger in the market. If a green triangle appears, it indicates a buy signal. Meanwhile, if a red triangle appears, it indicates a sell signal. However, before placing a buy or sell order, you must first confirm the signal that appears. Hello traders! Welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. In this video, we'll discuss a simple scalping strategy that only uses two free buy-sell indicators from Tradingview. This time, we'll show you how to use this 15-minute scalping strategy for forex scalping. However, aside from being suitable for forex trading, this scalping strategy also works well for other assets like gold or XAU/USD, crypto, and various other assets. Don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing so you'll always be the first to get updates from us. Let's get started. Now, add the second indicator that will be used in this scalping strategy. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Open Close Cross Strategy R5. Then, select the Open Close Cross Strategy R5 indicator by just Uncle L. Next, make a few adjustments to this indicator. In the Input tab, change the MA type to SMA. For MA period, change the value to 13. After that, go to the Style tab. Remove the checkmarks for trades on chart, signal labels, and quantity. Finally, click OK to confirm the changes. The Open Close Cross Strategy R5 indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. If the indicator line is green, it signals a bullish trend. In this situation, your main focus will be finding the best points to place buy entries. If the indicator line is red, it signals a bearish trend. In this situation, your main focus will be finding the best points to place sell entries. To make it easier to understand, let's discuss how to place buy and sell entries using this scalping strategy. How to place a buy entry. If the Open Close Strategy indicator is green, it signals a bullish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best points to place a buy entry. Wait for the BBO Roxana indicator to give a buy signal. As confirmation, ensure the candlestick that forms is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy entry after the bullish candlestick has closed. Set your stop loss at the most recent low. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell entry. If the Open Close Strategy indicator is red, it signals a bearish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best points to place a sell entry. Wait for the BBO Roxana indicator to give a sell signal. As confirmation, ensure the candlestick that forms is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell entry after the bearish candlestick has closed. Set your stop loss at the most recent high. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain proper money management and your trading psychology, as no trading strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.